Department of Health guidance for general environmental disinfection and decontamination of the environment during outbreaks is to use chlorine-based cleaning agents at a strength of 1,000 parts per million available chlorine. In this context, it is important to remember the difference between cleaning and disinfection. Cleaning is the removal of dirt, grease, detritus, and some microorganisms, but cleaning does not kill microorganisms. Disinfection is the destruction of microorganisms that are harmful to us, but disinfectants do not necessarily clean. In the days before we developed ChlorClean, chlorine disinfection of the environment consisted of a three-stage process. First, cleaning the surfaces with detergent and water. Then rinsing away all detergent residues which would otherwise inactivate the chlorine. And thirdly, disinfecting the area by wiping all over it again with the chlorine solution. This process was both time-consuming and tedious, and for those reasons it was rarely done properly. ChlorClean tablets contain a special surfactant, a detergent-like chemical, that is compatible with the chlorine, so that they dissolve in water to make a solution that will both clean and disinfect at the same time. Thus, ChlorClean saves on cleaning time and considerably improves the efficiency of the disinfection process. Before you start, read the instruction poster or reminder card supplied free of charge from the guest medical offices. Wherever possible, improve ventilation in the area where you make up the solution and where it will be used. Always wear protective apron and gloves. Always check the expiry date on the tub of ChlorClean tablets. Only use the dedicated ChlorClean diluter to make up the solution. Note, for decontamination of large areas or in outbreak situations, a 5-litre diluter is available as well as the standard 2-litre diluter. Check that the cold tap is running cold. And then fill the diluter to the appropriate fill line. The special surfactant or cleaning agent in ChlorClean is designed to clean surfaces using cold water. So never use hot or even warm water to dissolve the tablets, because it will make the chlorine smell unpleasantly strong. This may not affect you, but others may be less tolerant. Add 1 ChlorClean tablet for each litre of cold water in the diluter. And replace the cap loosely. Set the diluter to one side and allow the tablets to dissolve. Don't forget to replace the lid on the tablet container. This may take as much as 10 to 12 minutes, so it may be a good idea to make up the solution first thing in the morning before you are likely to need it. In some hospitals, the night staff make up the solution before they go off shift, so that it is ready for the day staff when they start work. Once the tablets have dissolved, the solution must be properly mixed. Screw the cap down tightly and mix very gently by inverting the diluter 2 or 3 times. Do not shake the diluter to mix. This solution will now remain active for 24 hours, so it is important to ensure that it is freshly made up every day. Use the guest ChlorClean makeup chart to record the time and day when the solution was made up. To use the ChlorClean solution, pour it from the diluter into your bowl or bucket. Only pour as much as you need for the current task, and keep the remaining solution in the diluter for future use. Keep the made-up solution in a cool place away from windows and radiators. Avoid areas where patients can access it. Use the solution with disposable cloths or mops to clean surfaces, floors, or equipment. Leave surfaces clean and moist, but not wet. Never use Chlor Clean or similar products in a spray bottle because it will create fine aerosol droplets of liquid chlorine in the area of work that can cause irritation to the eyes, nose and throat. Once surfaces are clean, they will be disinfected as well. Allow them to air dry. As a general rule, you do not need to rinse off the solution after cleaning. For example, Chlor Clean solutions will not corrode stainless steel, chrome or enamel frames such as commodes or bed frames. Neither will it harm mattress covers, properly sealed wood or flooring surfaces. However, on items where the outer covering of enamel or chrome has been chipped or worn away, the solution will cause corrosion to the base metal that is exposed. In such circumstances, after 15 minutes contact time, only rinse off those exposed metal areas with clean, fresh water. And then dry carefully with paper towels. If you leave moisture behind, the area will rust. Discard all cloths or disposable mop heads into the clinical waste stream according to your trust policy. Reusable mop heads should be sent to the laundry. When discarding used or time-expired Chlor Clean solutions, always flush the sluice or sink both before and after discarding to avoid unintentional mixing with other chemicals left in the trap or poured down afterwards. Keep the diluter and cap safe for the next use. Remove your apron and gloves last of all, and discard them into the clinical waste stream according to your trust policy. Now wash your hands and dry them carefully. Chlor Clean solutions have been proven by independent laboratory testing using European norm standards to effectively kill the microorganisms that are harmful to us, including MRSA and other staphylococci, GRE and other enterococci, coliforms including E. coli, Pseudomonas and Klebsiella, fungi, testing done on Candida albicans and Candida auris, viruses including norovirus, bacterial spores, Clostridium difficile. For more details about these standards and how they benefit you, please contact our scientific support staff via our offices or through our website. Chlor Clean solutions are not suitable to be used to disinfect blood spills. Guidance provided by the Department of Health and the Health and Safety Executive for this procedure is to disinfect the spill with chlorine at 10,000 parts per million first, and then mop up the liquid with paper towels and discard as clinical waste. This procedure can be performed safely using HazTap products or the Guest Biohazard Wipe Pack. For spills of body fluids not observably stained with blood, guidance is that the liquid should be absorbed with a suitable material, such as paper towels, or use the Guest Urine and Vomit Spill Pack and discard as clinical waste first. The area should be properly disinfected afterwards using the disinfectant wipe provided in the spill pack or a Chlor Clean solution as shown earlier in this presentation. Remember, never mix Chlor Clean solutions with any other chemicals or any type of cleaning products. Never use hot or even warm water to dilute Chlor Clean tablets. Always store the tablets according to safety regulations. The made-up solution does not need to be stored in a locked cupboard. The CLP hazard warnings do not apply to the made-up solution. However, it should be kept away from areas where patients or members of the public may see or take it. Chlorine solutions are likely to bleach natural fibres such as clothing, but modern fabric coverings for hospital chairs that contain a high proportion of man-made fibres are unlikely to be badly affected. If you are not sure, try the solution on a surface that is not normally visible when the item is in use. If you are not sure about when you should use the Chlor Clean solution, check with your supervisor or contact a member of the infection prevention team. Instruction posters, make-up wall charts and handy reminder cards for new members of staff are available direct from the guest medical offices or through your infection prevention team. Chlor Clean solutions save you time and improve the efficiency of disinfection when performing terminal cleans, outbreak cleans, isolation cleans, equipment disinfection, and general environmental disinfection.